Hey everybody, this is Chris from modding Arcade1Up. This is my 4th try at recording this video, so I'm starting to sound a little tired. I'm a little sweaty, to be honest. The pressure's really on with this thing. What I'm doing right now is trying to beat Killer Instinct on the hardest setting as quickly as possible without dying. Here we go. The game's extra easy, easy, medium, hard, or extra hard. I'm going with extra hard, trying to beat it as quickly as possible. I'm going to keep a timer running on my phone. I'm going to try to overlay one on the screen. Hopefully you'll see it somewhere over there, here. I don't know. I will start this timer as soon as I press the start button, which will be right... Let me make sure I'm recording everything. Okay. Which will be right now. I'm also probably not going to be saying a whole lot. What the hell? Excuse me. And also probably not going to be saying a whole lot because obviously I need to focus or things like that happen. Gosh. Come on. Alright. When the game's this difficult, you can't really do any combos. You just have to stay all over the person and just beat the heck out of them as quickly as possible, or they're gonna get you. One of their combos will destroy you when it's at this difficulty. I like using Saberwolf because of his stun uppercut, which really makes it a lot easier to get these guys beat. Alright. 2 down, 1 minute and 10 seconds. I hate having to jump when it's this hard. As soon as you jump, they kick you out of the air. So it's best to stay right on top, like I said before. Don't give them any room. Usually try to get them with a kick to the head as soon as they get up. Usually. Come on, come on. This is taking way too long. Hurry up. Alright, that took way too long. I'll be honest. I like to beat him with 80 seconds or more left on the clock. That's not always going to be the case, though. God, he got me there. That was not good. Come on. Got him. So 80 seconds almost left. Great. Got him. That 3-hit combo right there is great. Oh, I gotta try not to knock him off the edge. It takes too much time. Okay. That one took a little too long. Halfway through, we're at 3 minutes, 17 seconds. I don't know what the heck happened there. Come on. Jeez. Alright, not terrible. we're looking pretty good on this one so far. I shouldn't even say that. And that's it for Thunder. Ooh. Alright, decent time. Alright, good time. Oh, Spinal, I hate you right now. Spinal will do that to you. He took out my entire life bar with one combo on the last playthrough that was ridiculous. God. Oh boy, okay, so I got Spinal. Full gore is pretty fast. Oh no, come on. This is taking a little longer, but I just want to get through it. Alright, got through it. Okay, idle is a pain, especially if I don't get the bridge level, I could be pretty screwed. And I'm probably screwed. Wow. Whoa. Okay, I didn't mean to do that, but that worked. Okay, gotta get out of that corner. Okay, what? It didn't stun him. I thought it was gonna. He's freaking out. Okay, that's not good, but that's fine. Can't see the time. Okay, that stunned him. That'll hopefully confuse him or just make him mad. I don't know which one. Oh my god, I got him, I think. Yep. Okay, so 725 is what I saw. Hopefully I can fix that with the tape or the replay. Oh man, I'm gonna turn this up. Alright, so that was not a perfect run, but I'm happy with it. I mean, I could have tightened it up in spots, but this was the 4th try. I'm hot from, seriously, I'm like sweating from getting all worked up over this. So roughly 720 to 725, I'm going to play it back. You've probably already seen it, so I'll stop talking about it. I think that's a good run. I mean, on hardest difficulty without continuing, I'm happy with it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to keep doing more stuff with this Arcade1Up cabinet and keep modding little things here and there. The goal is to maybe get a lighted marquee soon, so we're going to try that hopefully within the next month or so. Thanks for being a subscriber, and thanks for watching.